Good day, children. We are going to have another slide, that is an explanation slide. So as you already know that this story is about Chen Yaozi. Now you all know, when we have finished reading in the previous slide, that Chen Yaozi was a famous archer who lived in China. And what was his work? That he was an archer, and he was so skilled in archery that he performed wonderful feats of archery. Everyone would be amazed at his excellent skill and would often praise him. Now what is that? He was such a skilled person that he knew exactly where to hit at the target. If he knew that the target was there, he would actually hit it right at the center without missing it. So this was his popular skill, and he was very popular because he would always show off his skill in the crowd. So that was Chen Yaozi actually aiming at the target. Now because of people's admiration and praises, he became very, very arrogant. Now here arrogant means very proud. When he saw that people would often praise him and admire him, he would feel very proud of himself and saying, oh yes, I am the most famous archer in the whole of this Chinese valley. Okay, now in archery you use those bows and arrows. Then what happened? When he was actually showing off his skill, there was this one old man in the crowd. But what did he do? He refused to praise Chen Yaozi. Now this was really very absurd. Why was it? Because according to him, he thought that it was only a matter of practice. Why did he say that it was only a matter of practice? It was because he said there is nothing like, you have any skill. The skill you get is only after practicing what you are good at. So that's the reason why he said Chen Yaozi must have practiced a lot. That is the reason why he is a master in archery. So he refused to praise Chen Yaozi, and he said that it's only a matter of practice. Now when Chen Yaozi heard this, he was so annoyed at the old man's remark and asked the reason for his thoughtless comments. Because Chen Yaozi thought that this man was offending him. He said something wrong against him. And then therefore he said, you know what thoughtless comments you are passing right now? You should know it, old man. The old man was a very humble person, and quietly and gently he replied that he's actually an ordinary oil seller who sells oil, and he fills his gourds with oil every day, thus building his own skill. So even he's a person who has a skill of filling the oil in the gourds. And Chen Yaozi was very angry, and he said, what proof can you give that you can do this and you can use your skills? He said he would like to give a proof of what he said, thus making everyone curious around him. So everyone, firstly you can see the gourd that you can see here. It was used to fill up oil. Now what the man would do next made everyone very curious.
What did the old man do? The old man put an empty gourd on the ground. Okay, he took the gourd and he put it on the ground, and he took a small coin. Now in the olden days in China, there were some coins which had a hole in the center. Can you see that square hole in the center? Yes. So these were the coins used in the ancient China. He placed it on the mouth of the gourd and took some oil in the ladle. I've already explained to you what a ladle means when we were reading the lesson. Now can you see the picture of a ladle? Yes. The side picture which is on the right hand side is a picture of a ladle. Okay, and he poured it into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd even without touching the sides of the coins. So this was an excellent skill which the old man displayed. The people watching this were left speechless. They were not knowing what to say, because the old man used his skill perfectly well by pouring the oil into the gourd through the small hole of the coin. And above everything else, what amazing thing was that there was not even the trace of oil on that coin. So all these people watching there were speechless. But the old man, as humble as ever, said, he simply put it by saying that it was nothing special about the skill, but it was only a matter of practice. Thus Chen Yaozi's anger cooled down. He thanked the old man for the important lesson that he had taught him, and it was never to boast about his skill. So that was Chen Yaozi, whose anger cooled down and he understood that he should never be proud about his skill. So this is a really wonderful lesson of it's only a matter of practice. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, children. If you have not understood, you can again rewind the entire video and check what the explanation is all about. That's all for today. Thank you.